Today, I'm going to be walking you through how to remove a payment method from the Google Play Store. To get started, go ahead and open up the Google Play Store app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, look at the very top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Before we go any further, the important thing is to make sure you are logged in to the correct Google account. If you have multiple emails, tap the drop-down arrow to switch to the specific account where you want to remove that payment profile. Now, all we need to do is look midway down the menu options where it says Payments and Subscriptions. Let's just tap on that. On the next screen, it will show you options for payment methods, subscriptions, and budget history. We're going to choose that first option, Payment Methods. This will show you a list of all your current cards or accounts. However, you'll notice that even if you tap on these individual cards, the app doesn't actually allow you to edit or remove them directly within this interface. We need to go to the website-based version of your account settings to do that. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this list and tap on More Payment Settings. This action will open up your mobile web browser and take you to payments.google.com. Depending on your security settings, you might need to log in again to your Google account or provide a fingerprint to verify it's you. Once the page loads, scroll down and you will see cards representing your different payment methods. To remove one, simply tap on the Remove button located right under the card details. Now, here is the both ways rule to keep in mind. If that card is currently linked to an active subscription, like Google One Storage, YouTube Premium, or an app subscription, Google will prompt you to choose a new payment method before it lets you delete the old one. This is because those services require an active billing method to keep running. So, select your replacement card, and when you're ready, hit Save and Remove. That card will no longer be a payment method on your account. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.